Alrighty guys, back again with another idea on how we can keep this box truck business going. Box truck business is booming though, because a lot of people want to be able to get into transportation, but they don't want to deal with CDL. You know, so box truck turned out to be the easier way to get into a transportation and not worried about, you know, driving a big semi truck. So how you can get into the box truck thing if you don't want to do on the road or over the road, how they want to call it, and you want to be home every night, like someone who got a 9 to 5 or maybe whatever time, but you're gonna be home every night no matter what. And you also don't want to deal with Amazon, because Amazon is cool, but there are a lot of requirements when it comes to Amazon. But I mean, if you qualify for Amazon, go for it. For me, I never even applied yet for Amazon. I want to just enjoy being on the road, you know, have this fun. When I'm getting tired, then I could apply for Amazon. So I don't know much about Amazon yet. So, but whatever I'm about to tell you is something that's really good. It will help you be home. All you need, as always, the LLC. No matter the business you want to do, you still have to get your LLC. All right? Once you have your LLC, go get your IRS number, whatever, employee identification number. It's free on the IRS website. And just Google search, you know? And after you got all this, try not to open your business bank account. You have to separate, you know, your personal from business. Business from personal, whatever. And after you have your business account set up, get your MC, DOT, and all that set up. It costs cheap, guys. You know, Google search, because I won't be able to tell you, oh, do that, click here, click that, click that. Google was my professor. All right, Google is my professor. Before I get into this box truck thing, Google teach me everything. Like I said, the information came from Google. So Google search how to open an LLC. It will give you all the instructions, or maybe do some YouTube. The people that, you know, pretty good at doing those kind of stuff. They will give you step by step how to open your LLC, step by step how to do your NC, DOT, and all that. Right? After you got all of this stuff set up, and your authorities are active, ready to go, get yourself a box truck. All right? If you're doing in the city, you don't have to go after those brand new box truck. The brand new box truck, the reason to that is if you're on the road, so that you get to make more money and worry less about breakdown. All right? So if you're in the city, I mean, I'm not saying go get some of those, you know, like crazy old box truck, smoking everywhere. No, get you something that will keep you going until you stack some of that money and be able to get yourself a nice looking truck, right? So you got to start it from somewhere first. So then you get your box truck and contact your insurance. It don't matter. It could be the same insurance that giving you car insurance, regular, whatever. I got GEICO, okay? There's some Progressive and all that. It depends on the insurance that you're comfortable going with. So once you have all of this stuff going on, now you first want to apply. Apply for this. Go check out this company. This is a company that I got the information from, and I want to share that with you guys. If you ever see the company name on some truck, they call JB Hunt. JB Hunt. got like a yellow name or something. JB Hunt, they are like a big expediting company, and they have a lot of contracts. Pretty much every contract from Lowe's, JB Hunt has the contract from Lowe's. So JB Hunt take care of Lowe's delivery and everything. So JB Hunt cannot do that on their own, so they have to hire owner-operator like yourself in order to move the stuff. So it would be like Lowe's when the semi truck bring in all those refrigerator, dishwasher, washing machine, dryer, and all that little stuff for your home, and you going to be the contractor for JB Hunt and delivering that product to customers. JB Hunt is looking for people all the time because not everyone can stick to that job. And let me warn you, if you want to get into the job like that, you have to be able to lift a heavy weight, things like refrigerator. I have to tell you that now. I don't want to. One of the reasons why I'm doing over the road is because I don't want to deal with Amazon thing like you have to unload yourself. You have to. I got a pallet jack, but I have it for the reason, if a customer don't have the forklift, they're more than welcome to use my pallet jack. That's what I have there for, But unloading and loading is not my job. No. I don't touch it. My job is to drive. But if the customer want me to load or unload the product,
1 mile, keep left.
what I do, I shoot an email to the broker. I say, hey, the customer need my help. So somebody got to pay me for that. All right? So then the broker will arrange that with the customer, and the customer is okay. Yeah, you can step in and help them, and they will pay you for helping them out. I've done it before. I've done it twice now. I got paid $100. Just 10-minute work, man. 10 minutes. So that's the thing I like about on the road. You don't have to, deal with lifting, pulling, or no. I love driving. I just want to sit there and drive all days and pick up the load, drop it off, and I'm all set. So because of that, I didn't go towards JB Hunt. I prefer doing this on the road thing. And as I speak right now, like I said, I haven't applied for Amazon yet because, like I said, I don't want to deal with all that stuff. So maybe somewhere down the road, I'm going to do Amazon. All right. So that's what I have for you guys. Check out JB Hunt. And it's another company that I'm forgetting the name, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to keep you guys updated in the comment section if I find a name. I'm getting hungry right now, so maybe that's why. So JB Hunt. Check out JB Hunt. Apply for JB Hunt first. You don't want to buy the truck. Apply for JB Hunt after your authority go active, because they want an active MC and DOT everything. They want that to be active. So once it's active, apply for how you call that, for JB Hunt. If they accept you, then you can give them a deadline when you're gonna start. And now you go buy the truck. All right? And like I say, you have to be able to lift stuff. So you're not going to be doing that kind of job on your own. You might have to hire somebody, which they call a helper. So for example, you hire me, and every morning you and I go pick up your stuff and deliver them. I'm pretty sure one of those guys already knocked at your door before to come deliver your washer or your something. If you see one of those Lowe's truck, some people lease a truck from Lowe's. All right. So what I would recommend, if you want to get into something like that, see if you can rent a truck for just a week. I said before that renting is not a good idea, but just in case you're not sure if you're gonna like the job, all right? So that's the only reason I will rent a truck, because I will rent a truck and try the job for like a week. If I don't feel comfortable with the job, I say, nah, this is not me. You know, I can't lift this kind of stuff. Then you can release the truck, all right? That's the only thing I would suggest, that you rent a truck, because you want to try it. You want to try it out. So if you like it, you see the money for 1 week, it's good, get your truck. So you don't have to rent a truck. All right, go get a loan. Tell your bank, you know, the same business account, bank account that you open, tell them, hey, I like this business and I want to progress. I need a truck. Because it's business, you know, you need to also keep your credit right too. They will give you the loan, all right? So that's what I have for you guys. If you want to get into the box store business and make some money and be able to stay home every night. For me, I am doing this because I don't want to lift anything heavy, all right? So I've been dealing with those kind of jobs in the past years and years. I'm sick of it, you know? I just want something relaxing, just like this, relaxing. Listen to my music, driving, that's it. So that's what I got for you guys, man. If you think this video is helpful, you owe me the thumbs up. You owe me the thumbs up, my friend. You owe me one. And don't forget to subscribe to support your African boy, man. I will keep throwing stuff at you. Whether you like it or not, I'm going to throw it at you, man. I promise you that. I'm here for you. I will see you in the next video, guys.